Cabinet has given the green light for the development of Vernam Field in Clarendon. Transport and Mining Minister Mike Henry outlined details of the plan, the first phase of which will be rolled out in the months ahead. Mr. Henry made the revelation during his sectoral debate in Parliament today. He dubbed it Implementation Year, and after much talk about the development of Vernam Field as a transportation and logistics center, Transport and Mining Minister Mike Henry announced in Parliament Wednesday that the government is moving to act. So far, Cabinet has signed off on the relocation of the Jamaica Defence Force JDF Air Wing from its current location to Vernam Field in Clarendon. The development will also see the relocation of the Tinson Pen Aerodrome, which is in St. Andrew. The minister further revealed services will be located in the area, among them maintenance and repairs of aeroplanes, cargo and courier services. To that effect, the runway will be expanded. The development will also see a training school for persons interested in aviation.
We have to relocate what's at Tinson Pen, and therefore in the cabinet approval, I'll be moving post haste to ensure we implement that. Yeah. Everything I've spoken to here, Cabinet has approved. Cabinet has approved the relocation of everything at Tinson Pen to Vernam Field. And therefore we move forward with the options, because as you privatize NMIA, the developers may have a different perspective on some areas. If you came with someone who wanted to invest in the Milk River Spa, which has a higher spot content than Baden-Baden, and where we have Salt River in the plains, that means we have underground issues that relate. And where we have limestone, which is the best for cleaning the teeth in the world and for beauty products, there's a whole economic zone linked to that development. It's linked at research and development. It's linked at employment levels at different levels. And we have to be able to exploit that as quickly as possible.
He noted that the economic benefits will be substantial.
The tax increment that will be generated in a wide range of economic activities will see an average to take 11%, resulting in revenues of 6.5 billion. This means, Mr. Speaker, that we all have a stake in this development.
Mr. Henry, although outlining what the development plan will entail, didn't specify any timelines except to say this.
The next steps for the Vernam Field development, Mr. Speaker, is the establishment of the airdrome, the development of the timeline budget for the relocation of Tinson Pen, the provision of the notice to JCAA for the relocation of Tinson Pen on JDF, and that has begun, and the coordination with the National Lands Agency on the lands allocated to the project. Mr. Speaker, Vernam Field is located in the southwest plains of Clarendon, but more importantly, it serves the county of Middlesex, which stretches all the way.